Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the sheet and the cell where you need the current date. Type equals today, and press enter to place a live date that updates each day. Once done, make sure to format the cell as a date or a custom format such as YIMMDD so the display matches your report. You should know today has no arguments, that's why you just type parentheses. This minimal step prevents confusion later when dates appear in calculations and filters. Once today is in place, integrate it into formulas for live calculations. For example, use equals a to today. To compute days until a deadline, negative values mean it's passed. You can nest today inside if to trigger flags or with datediff to show age dynamically. Also, use network days today, B2 when you need business day counts. Make sure to lock references with $ when copying formulas across rows. To finish, decide if dates should remain dynamic or become static. Copy the today cells and paste special right arrow values to freeze them. If dates don't refresh when expected, press F9 or check that Excel's calculation mode is set to automatic. Manual mode prevents auto updates. If a formula shows an error, confirm you didn't enter extra arguments into today. It requires none. Lastly, make sure regional date settings and cell formatting match so displayed dates aren't misinterpreted by users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.